The DJI Osmo Action 6 is not just another action camera. It's the next leap in human storytelling, a breathtaking evolution that could redefine how we capture the raw pulse of life itself. Imagine holding a piece of the future in your palm, sleek, compact, and engineered with the kind of precision that only DJI can deliver. The air is buzzing with anticipation, leaks and whispers flooding tech forums, Reddit threads, and YouTube channels, and every sign points to one undeniable truth. DJI is preparing to blow the doors off the entire action camera industry once again. The Osmo Action 6 isn't just an upgrade. It's a statement, a declaration that boundaries are meant to be shattered. From the moment you see it, you can tell something extraordinary is happening here. The rumored design combines a lightweight magnesium alloy body with DJI's signature durability, giving it a premium feel that's rugged enough for any adventure, yet refined enough to look like a work of art. You pick it up, and it doesn't just feel like a gadget, it feels like a promise. A silent invitation to go farther, climb higher, dive deeper, and record every heartbeat of the journey. The new dual-screen layout reportedly brings unparalleled clarity, brighter than ever before, with ultra-responsive touch sensitivity so intuitive that it feels alive beneath your fingertips. No matter how bright the sun or how dark the ocean depths, the Osmo Action 6 will adapt, making sure your vision never fades. But beneath that sleek shell beats the true magic, a next-generation image sensor that might just change the game. Rumors point to an 8K 60fps recording capability powered by DJI's custom AI imaging chip. That means every drop of water, every flicker of flame, every grain of sand bursts to life in incredible, hyper-real clarity. You won't just watch your adventures, you'll relive them as if time folded back on itself. DJI is said to be working closely with Sony on this sensor, crafting color science so advanced it makes the real world look cinematic. Every frame becomes art, every shot a story told in perfect light. And then comes the stabilization, because this is where DJI crushes the competition. RockSteady X, the rumored next-gen stabilization system, could be the most advanced algorithm ever put in an action cam. Imagine sprinting across uneven terrain, scaling cliffs, or surfing waves at full throttle, and yet your footage stays unbelievably smooth, horizon-locked, and utterly stable. This isn't software trickery. This is engineering brilliance. It's as if the camera predicts your every move, balancing chaos into elegance. And that's not all. Sources hint at something revolutionary, a variable aperture lens, a first for an action camera, allowing you to shift between cinematic depth and crisp wide-angle clarity at will. Whether you're shooting in glaring daylight or under the glow of city lights, the Osmo Action 6 might just handle it effortlessly. It's said to feature a massive 1.3-inch stacked CMOS sensor that drinks in light like never before, giving you the power to shoot vibrant night scenes and breathtaking sunsets with detail that was once impossible. Add DJI's rumored new HDR Plus processing, and you get dynamic range so deep that shadows whisper and highlights sing. And yet, this masterpiece is built to endure anything. Waterproof up to 20 meters without a case, freeze-resistant, dust-proof, and shock-proof. It's not just ready for adventure. It's begging for it. But what about sound? Because the story isn't complete without it. Leaks suggest the Osmo Action 6 will feature an intelligent triple mic array that uses adaptive AI to cancel out wind noise, isolate your voice, and record spatially aware audio that immerses the listener in your world. You could be snowboarding down a mountain or diving beneath coral reefs, and every sound, every breath, every echo would feel alive. DJI knows creators demand more than visuals. They demand emotion, and sound is half the story. Speaking of creators, the rumored Enduracell battery could be a game changer. Picture this, 180 minutes of continuous 4K recording, even in freezing temperatures without a hiccup. And if that wasn't enough, fast charging gives you 70% battery in just 10 minutes. That's power designed for movement, for passion, for those who live their stories instead of just telling them. And for the first time, DJI might be introducing a modular magnetic charging system. No cables, no fuss, just snap and go. It's the kind of elegant innovation that separates DJI from everyone else. Then there's connectivity, built-in Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.4 for lightning-fast transfers and seamless control through the all-new DJI Flow app. Rumor has it this app uses AI to auto-edit your footage in real time, syncing clips, adding transitions, and even color grading your shots before you get home. Imagine ending your hike or ride, opening your phone, and your cinematic highlight reel is already waiting. Smooth cuts, epic pacing, ready to share with the world. This is not just a camera. It's your personal film studio that fits in your pocket. And if you're a vlogger, here's where things get really exciting. The Osmo Action 6 might include a front-facing mic integration and a smart face detection mode that keeps you perfectly in focus no matter how you move. No more blurred frames or overexposed backgrounds, just crisp, vivid storytelling with every frame. And then there's the mounting system, the heart of an action camera's soul. DJI's magnetic mounting technology is rumored to return stronger and smarter, now with reinforced locking points for extreme sports. You could throw this camera off a mountain bike, strap it to a drone, or mount it to your surfboard and it won't flinch. That reliability builds confidence, and confidence builds creativity. Add the rumored modular system, attachable lights, external screens, or even a micro telephoto lens, and suddenly you've got a full production rig in a device smaller than your wallet. But perhaps the most jaw-dropping feature yet is the AI-powered scene recognition system, rumored to automatically adjust settings based on your activity. Jumping off a cliff? It preps stabilization in slow motion. Entering a dark cave? It boosts ISO dynamically. Riding through bright sun? It tones highlights to perfection. It thinks for you so you can focus on the moment, not the menu. That's pure creative freedom. Technology working invisibly in the background to enhance your art. Now, the question everyone's asking, how much will it cost? If leaks are accurate, DJI is about to pull a masterstroke. With a rumored launch price between $399 and $449, this camera could undercut GoPro's flagship while delivering features that belong to the future. That's not just aggressive pricing, that's dominance. And with whispers of a global launch right before the holiday season, it's perfectly timed to capture hearts, wallets, and wish lists everywhere. But beyond the specs, beyond the features, what really sets the Osmo Action 6 apart is the feeling it gives you. It's not just a tool, it's an experience. It makes you want to move, to explore, to live harder, and dream bigger. Because when you hold a camera that powerful, you don't just film life, you create it. You start to see the world differently. Every sunrise becomes a masterpiece, every road trip a movie, every fleeting second a story worth telling. That's the real magic DJI builds into its machines. It's not about pixels or frames. It's about passion and perspective. It's about transforming ordinary moments into something extraordinary. The Osmo Action 6 is rumored to be that kind of device, the kind that changes what's possible, the kind that makes you believe again in innovation. And if even half of these leaks are true, we're not just witnessing another launch, we're witnessing the dawn of a new era in action filmmaking. DJI has always stood for precision, creativity, and courage. With the Osmo Action 6, they're not just competing, they're leading. So whether you're an adventurer, a filmmaker, a dreamer, or someone who just wants to capture life in its purest form, get ready. The revolution is on the horizon. The Osmo Action 6 isn't coming to join the game. It's coming to rewrite the rules. And when it finally arrives, one thing will be clear. The future of action cameras has a new name, and it's DJI.